All right, my friend, this is hack number 12 in the series of 17 hacks to really build your business credit scores. So if you like in these videos, I need you to put business credit or put a money bag or put something in the comment section, something to let the social media platform know that this content is good, that you want to see more of it so you can see more of my videos, or so that it can show to more people as well. Because I'm giving away a lot of free information here that a lot of people aren't used to hearing, or a lot of people aren't teaching online. So if you feel like it's valuable, if you feel like it helped you out or it can help someone else out, give me a like, share it, or put a comment in the comment section, or do all three, so that way we can get these videos out to more people. So hack number 12 in this series is going to be that you need to avoid lawsuits and also keep your workspace safe. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but on your business credit profile, people can see if you have a lawsuit. If you have a contract and in your contract says that you're going to do certain things, you need to make sure you honor that. Because if someone decides to sue you, that's going to show up in your business credit profile. Other people can see that. You don't want to have a lot of liens and a lot of nasty looking stuff on your business credit profile because it makes you look unprofessional. Now, you cannot avoid getting lawsuits. There's no way to 100% make sure that you can't get lawsuits because sometimes people are just out to get you. There's a lot of people that's litigious. A lot of people just prey on rich people. All they want to do instead of work, they just go after people that's making a lot of money, maybe get some kind of slip and fall accident, and they want to get that lawsuit against you so they can make a little bit of money. A lot of people are doing that just to make a living. So you can't really 100% avoid lawsuits, but if you have a contract, do everything you say that you're going to do in that contract. Be ethical and do what you say you're going to do. And also, you want to keep your workplace safe. So if you're in construction, so I come from the oil field, if you know my background. You know, I did road construction, I did foundation repair, I went straight to the oil field right after that before I got into entrepreneurship. Now, in the oil field, there were a lot of extension cables everywhere. There's plastic on the ground, there's mats on the ground. We're using stuff that's kind of similar to gasoline, and it's a very dangerous environment. If we were to have this extension cord in a place where somebody can't see it and they trip on it and get an accident, that could look bad for the business. So always having communication on your workspace will go a long way, making sure that you don't get any accidents. Keep your work area clean. Let everybody know that, hey, this is a wire right here. Watch where you're walking. I know it sounds simple. It sounds like you're talking to children, but sometimes that's what you have to do in order to keep your workplace safe. It will be better to over-communicate than to get a lawsuit and have that showing up on your business credit profile. So what I would always do is get a risk assessment done by your insurer, and also keeping your workplace safe, talking to your insurer and getting a risk assessment could also help you to get your workman's comp premiums a little lower as well.